Okay, you have to listen to this. Stop everything. I wasn't even planning on recording today. I literally just walked through the door, but I had to get this message out to you, like, right now. Something just happened that confirmed, well, everything. This is for you, and I promise you're going to know it's for you the second you hear it.
So on my way home, clear as day, I saw it again on a license plate, AAA. And I've been seeing it everywhere lately. It's like you've been given a AAA rating from the universe. And today, Spirit was so loud and clear, it was undeniable. It's time. This was the final sign. Your season has officially 100% shifted. The timeline you are on right now, it's the one where every good thing you could possibly hope for isn't just a maybe, it's already on the schedule.
Okay, so let's get into this, because to really understand where you're going, we have to honor where you've been. Look, let's just be real for a second. For way, way too long, you have just been trying to make it to the next day. You've been surviving.
And the crazy part is you were so deep in it, you probably didn't even call it survival mode, right? It was just life. It was just your normal. A long, hard, draining season that took every last ounce of energy you had. But I need you to hear me with everything in my soul when I say that season is officially over. Done.
Does any of this ring a bell? You had to be the strong one, didn't you? The rock for everybody else. You were the one holding it all together, figuring it all out completely on your own, all while putting on a brave face and acting like you were okay when, deep down, you were falling apart. You poured out so much of yourself that you were left completely empty, heartbroken, and clinging to nothing but your faith. And let me tell you something, that faith, that was the only thing you ever truly needed.
But look at this. This is the shift. This is what's happening right now. You are moving out of that past, that long, difficult season of feeling drained, heartbroken, questioning everything, and you're stepping into the sun. This is your winning season, a time that's defined not by struggle, but by receiving abundance, by finally experiencing genuine love, and by walking in an unshakable faith that has been through the fire and has been proven pure gold.
Okay, now for the good part. The part I've been bursting to tell you. I need you to feel this in your spirit. The waiting period, that time of being delayed but never, ever denied. It is over. The promise is being fulfilled. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now.
So here it is, the most important thing you need to know. The title of your next chapter, the name of the era you are walking into this very second, is Mama, We Made It. Go on, say it out loud. Let yourself feel that. This is it. This is your victory lap. After everything, you are about to win. Finally.
And this isn't just one thing, it's the whole shebang. Look at this. A huge piece of this is a massive financial breakthrough. You are going to see more money this year than you have ever seen before. But it's so much bigger than that. You've got powerful new business connections coming in, deep platonic friendships that feel like soulmates, and yes, real, genuine romantic love. People are about to show up for you in ways you couldn't even imagine. And these aren't just random lucky breaks. These are your karmic rewards. This is payback for every good seed you've ever sown.
And you know what the best part of all of this is? You don't have to say a thing, not one word. You won't have to explain yourself or justify your glow up to anyone who ever doubted you. The proof, like they say, is going to be in the pudding. The life that God is building for you will do all the talking. Because what is coming? Oh, it is so much better than anything that is gone.
Okay, so I know your mind. I know what you're thinking right now. After all the instability, all the chaos, it's only natural to be a little hesitant, to wonder if the other shoe is about to drop. So let's talk about the foundation of this new season, because this one is not built on sand. This is the question that's been hiding in your heart, isn't it? After you've been through a storm like that, you can't help but ask, how do I know this is real? How do I know this is actually going to last? How do I know the rug won't be pulled out from under me again? Well, this is the answer I was given for you. It's from Psalms 93, verse 1. And just listen to these words. The world is established, firm and secure. It cannot be moved. This isn't just about the planet. This is the energy of your blessing. It's built on a foundation that literally cannot be shaken. So let's break that down. What does that actually mean for you right now? It means that what God has for you comes with unshakable stability, even if the world around you is in complete chaos. It doesn't matter what's happening out there. This time, this blessing, it's for you. And nobody, and I mean nobody, can move it or take it away from you.
All right, so you're walking into this incredible new reality, and it's built on solid rock. So what now? Now, we talk about how you manage it. Because this new level you're stepping into, it comes with a new mandate,
a new set of rules for success.
This is just a fact of life, right? As you step into more power, more influence, and more money, you are also stepping into more responsibility. But here's the secret. All that time you spent in survival mode, that wasn't a waste. That was your training ground. You have been perfectly prepared for this exact moment.
So here's your toolkit, and the great news is you already have everything you need. All those skills you had to develop just to get by, they're now your superpowers. That mental sharpness you got from always having to be 10 steps ahead, you have to maintain that. That firm discernment you learned to protect your energy and your heart, you need to apply that to every single new opportunity and person that comes your way. The message I heard for you was so clear. Think fast and be firm. The right choices are going to come to you quickly, and you have to trust your gut and act on them without hesitating.
And this right here is the master key. It's the thing that unlocks everything and keeps it all going. Above all else, you have to keep God first. Center everything you do in that relationship. If you do that, you won't just win for a season, you will continue to win. This promise isn't temporary. It's for a lifetime, as long as you stay anchored.
So, that's the message. Your time in survival mode was the preparation. Your unwavering faith was the price of admission. And your rewards, well, they're here. They're arriving now. The only question left is the one you see right here. Your training is complete. Are you ready to manage the win?